Hello everyone, this is Mr. Everett again, and this is part 2 of converting between fractions and decimals. And in this video we're going to cover the last 5 questions on the quiz, converting decimals to fractions. Alright, so to convert decimals to fractions you have to make sure you understand your place value. So this first one is a tens place. I'm going to write it as a decimal, sorry, as a fraction. This is your tenth place. This is your hundredths place. And the third one is your thousandths. Now, I've given you several documents with the place value chart, so hopefully you can locate those and you understand what I'm referring to. So if you can read this decimal, it's 10 and 26 thousandths. So you write 10 and 26 thousandths is the same as the fraction 10 and 26 thousandths. Some of you still writing 26 hundredths. Tenths, hundredths, thousandths. Now I have to write in lowest terms. I know I can divide by 2. So I'm going to divide by 2 because it's even. That leaves me 10 and 13 500ths. This is a prime number, so I know I can't simplify it. I can only, it's prime. Because I know I can't, I'm going to check anyway, I can't divide 13 into 500, not evenly. That gives me 3, 39, 11, 110. So, and I believe that's about, what, 9 times, or we'll try 8, 13 times 8. 104. So I can't divide 13 into 500 evenly. So that means that 13 is not a factor of 110. So I can't get any lower. It's already in lowest terms. The only common factor between 13 and 500 is 1. So it's in lowest terms. The next one. 7 and 875 thousandths. Again, thousandths place. 7 and 875 thousandths. All right. So it's going to take me a couple of tries, but I know it's divisible by 5 because it ends in a 5 or a 0. So I divide that by 5. I divide that by 5. And I get 7. I know that's 200. That's a 175. I still end in a 5 or 0, so I can divide by 5 again. 7. Now remember, the whole number never changes. I'm sorry, I shouldn't say never. Whole number doesn't change. The bottom is easy. It's 40. And that gives me 3 is 15, 25, 35. I think I'm messing up here. Let me see. Okay, again, ends in a 5 or 0. So I can divide by 5 again. The 7 stays the same. 7 8. So 7 875 thousandths is 7 and 7 eighths. A lot of people on the next one, I don't know why I put tenths or even thousandths. That's 16 and 4 hundredths. That's 16 and 4 hundredths. Divide by 4, divide by 4. Yes, I could have divided by 2, but 4, I'll do it one time. That gives me 1/25. 16 and 4 hundredths is the same as, or has the same value as 16 and 1/25. The last two, again, this is the zeros in the tenths place. This first two is in the hundredths place. This is in the thousandths place. So it's 7 and 22 thousandths. 7 and 22 thousandths. They're both even, so I know I can divide by 2. I get 7 and 11 500s. 11 is a prime number. 11 is not a factor of 500. So my only common factor is 1. I'm in lowest terms. 7 and 2200s is the same as 7 and 11 500s. Last one, 11 and 17 thousandths. 17 is a prime number. It's not a factor of 1,000. I'm done. All right, so I'm going to keep on pushing, guys. We're going to rise to some high expectations. I'm sure you'll get there. Just keep on practicing. See you in class.